Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us on www.shoreofsirclasses.com or call or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we'll be talking about some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. Moving on, we have question number 44 in hand. The number of stereoisomers possible for the following compound is, and this is the compound we have been given to us, and we have to write the number of possible stereoisomers. So this is a numerically answer type question. Now we know that the number of stereoisomers is equals to 2 to the power n, where n represents the number of chiral centers, and a chiral center, as we know, is an carbon atom with 4 different groups attached to it. So this will be a chiral center. Hence in this compound pH, CHOH, CHOH, pH, this carbon atom is a chiral center because here there's a hydrogen present with it and a pH, OH, and another group which is CPHOH. So this carbon atom is a chiral center because all the 4 groups attached are different. Similarly, this carbon atom is also a chiral center, so effectively the number of chiral centers, or n, equals to 2. So the number of stereoisomers will be 2 to the power 2, which is equals to, this is equals to 2 to the power n equals to 2 to the power 2, which is equals to 4. So the answer will be 4. Moving on to the next question, we have question number 45. So the number of hydrogen bonds present in a guanine cytosine base pair is, and we have to say the number of hydrogen bonds present in this guanine cytosine base pair. So starting with the structure of the compound, we have carbon atom here, C, single bond C with a hydrogen here. There's a double bond C, hydrogen, a nitrogen, then again another carbon atom. Then here's a double bond N, and here's a double bond O. This is hydrogen, and then we have again from this C a nitrogen with NH2. So this is effectively NH2, and here this part has C double bond N, C double bond N, C double bond O, double bond C, nitrogen, double bond C, nitrogen, NH here, and again this part has a nitrogen here, and H here, and here this carbon has a nitrogen attached to it with a bond here, NH, and the H here. So these are the hydrogen bonds we have to find out. So there is 1, 2, and 3 hydrogen bonds present in the guanine cytosine base pair. So the answer is 3. Thank you.